Here we're discussing our project in evaluation SOYLEIC varieties. So these are all our soybean SOYLEIC varieties. These varieties are high in oleic acid and low in linoleic acid. Our project is about developing and evaluating the SOYLEIC lines. This trait is a trait that was developed by the University of Missouri. So we're trying to add these resistance genes from different sources. We're also adding this low carbohydrate trait that makes the soybean more digestible for animals for feed purposes. This year, we have 3 experimental lines that are going to be tested in the USDA uniform trials. So next year, we will have data on this line. And also, hopefully, if they're good enough, in the next years, we will have some release varieties with these 2 traits. The importance here is to increase the value of our soybeans and also increase the market of our soybeans. This oil is a higher quality oil than a regular soybean oil for cooking and baking purposes. So actually farmers could take advantage of premiums in the market because this is a value-added trait. So they could take advantage of those premiums and increase their profits. These SCN-resistant traits, what it do is protect their yields. So here in this field, we have our seed increases from our varieties that were released in the previous years. The program has been releasing varieties since 2020. This year, we're releasing 5 new varieties, which are being increased in our field nurseries in Puerto Rico. But also, we'll always have some of our varieties here for increases in case we use the seed in our field trials, and also in case other people ask for seed too. So if you're interested in learning more about our trials and also grow some of our trials in your own farm, you can visit ilsoyadvisor.com.